Buongiorno tutti. Drop scones again, but this time I'm using corn flour. So I better get my mixing dish, bowl, and let's see, sift the flour and the salt. That's a bit I always forget. To sift the flour. Do you need to sift corn flour? I don't know. I'm going to keep it in this time because the last time I made a right mess. No. Maybe I should use a wider dish. Doesn't like being sifted at all. There we go. A pinch of salt. $50 of caster sugar. 2 free-range eggs and 280 milk. 280 mils of milk, which I've got here already mixed. And a tablespoon of sunflower oil. But what I'll do is I'll mix that and then add the oil. And I suspect it might need a wee bit more liquid, because I only put 250 ml. No, just over. You know what I never done? I never put the baking powder in. I'll just put a wee touch of that in. Maybe a wee touch more. Because this recipe says self-raising flour. May as well put the oil in now as well. It's quite a thin batter. Of course, there's no gluten in maize flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that rest for a wee while, half an hour, and then I'll come back. See you shortly. Stop calling me shortly. Welcome back. I've got this on to heat. My induction hob with my new frying pan, skillet, and the mixture has been resting for about half an hour or so. This looks quite a bit thin, so we're going to try it anyway. Put a wee bit on. Yeah, that's very thin. I think that might be too thin. So maize flour on its own might not be the best idea. I'll put that on this side. So you can see, hopefully, the bubbles are starting to appear. It smells quite burny, as if it's too hot, I guess. And that, my friend, is sticking. So we'll see. There's a bit of oil that I never mixed in, so that poured with the bar onto the pancake, and that bit hasn't browned. The oil stops it from browning. And that's okay. Looks a bit thin, but let's see. Make it like a crepe. Experimenting. I've got a new roti maker, which I've never made rotis before, chapatis. So that's going to be an adventure. I think there's a certain skill level required to do that. Fun. That looks okay. But I think the corn flour needs to be mixed. The maize needs to be mixed with something else. The proof of the pudding will be in the eating. Gonna have a wee taste test. It looks okay. Tastes really nice. Got a nice texture. Have that with my Biscoff spread. So, it's been an interesting experiment and something worth doing, worth trying. I'm going to get one of the lower ones, still very warm. I'm going to try some spread on it. Really finish this. Just a thin spreading. Maybe a bit too thin, that. Unlike me. No one has ever accused me of being too thin. Oh, it's went right through it. It just shows you the holes. Bon appetito. So that's maize pancakes. They are amazing. I think I prefer the flour ones. The wheat flour. This is corn flour, maize flour. But it's worth a try. And they're really nice. The other ones are nicer. They are superb. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.